minutes, hours, days. It's been too long and you've been lost in the maze. I showed you how to get out, so follow my lead. You called me a sellout, I'm trying to help you breathe. Look a little deeper, you might find your soul. You say I've tramped your style, that I'm after control. I warned you, this cold road man can make you shiver. You looked in my eyes and you said you don't give up. Don't push too far, cause I soon will erupt. Watching you push that button, self-destruct. I love you like a brother, but I sure ain't your mother. Gonna walk away, cause I can't watch you suffer.
You have to walk away sometimes. You can't always read between the lines. When I promise it'll be alright if you walk away.
One man's joy sees another one struggling. One man's toy, life and death, he be juggling. Knocking on your head, no reply, swear no one's in. I'm trying to hold you up, can't you see my legs buckling? Repeat it, but still you don't know. I ain't a defeatist, but maybe I should go. You're living life fast, but conversation slow. You only perk up when Colombia's up your nose.
We all get afraid sometimes. We can't always recognize the signs. When I promise it'll be alright if you walk away.
You alone can't solve life's mysteries. Well, Sherlock Holmes, I'm gone, I'm history. Maybe you could find the clues in your blues. I know you'd understand if you walked in my shoes. You left us shocked when you lit that short fuse. I don't wanna see you on the evening news. I'll always be there if you come my way. I say a silent prayer that you'll be okay.